If you like dogs, this is your video. Well, as you can see by the title. Listen. Chemo bark. He's not barking. There he is. Two different dogs, Chemo and Sasha. If you like this dog. Hey, look at the camera, Chemo. If you like this dog. Oh, there you go. Chemo, bark. Bark. It's not my dog, so he's not responding. Oh, crap. Yeesh. I'm at my friend's house. So, if you like this dog, yeah. I fell over again. If you like this dog, subscribe and like this video. It's getting hot in my ear. What? Yeah, well, no, I'm gonna keep playing with dogs. Like a bounty ball. Oh, Jesus. Just keep watching the dogs. Hey, dog, come here. He always sits by the window. Try and find the differences. The one difference, you probably guessed it. It's... There we go. Oh, wait, what? They're actually barking for a reason. No, I'm going down.